Hi everyone. I'm going to be doing the unboxing of the Louis Vuitton Delightful bag, the medium size. So I'm going to show you the box or the bag that it comes in. Big Louis Vuitton bag. This thing is huge. Get rid of that. And when you purchase it from the Louis Vuitton store, it's going to come in a nice big box with Louis Vuitton written across the front. And this is, by the way, my favorite designer label, Louis Vuitton. Okay, so we'll get started. You guys won't be seeing me much. This bag is so big. So it comes with a nice receipt booklet. It has Louis Vuitton. And, when you open it, you have the LV on the receipt. Also will come with the little dust bag. It says Louis Vuitton as well. Pretty size dust bag too. And get ready. Ta-da! The nice, delightful monogram. This bag is gorgeous. It is a gorgeous bag. I won't say it's the GM because it's not. It's the medium size. But I think it's just as big as the GM. And this bag comes in the GM, the medium, and the PM. And let's see here. It has like the bottom piece reminds me kind of like a duffel bag bottom. Turn the camera a little bit so you can see it. It has nice detailing, the trimming on the outside. And I initially had the Never Full medium. I love that bag, especially the damier. I hope I'm saying it right. The damier print. But I could not deal with the straps. I could not deal with the straps at all. So I returned it and got this nice big bag here. She's lovely. I love the strap on it. Nice big comfortable strap, and it says Louis Vuitton. And this bag is about the same size as the Never Full. And the outside detailing, we'll start with that. The rings here, they say Louis Vuitton. Can't probably see it that well. See it a little bit there. It also has the little screw that says Louis Vuitton. So cute. Has it on both sides, both D-rings. And the exterior of the bag is monogram, of course. The bottom, I would say, is surrounded by the vachetta. I can't really say that word, but it's vachetta. It has like a little split seam to it here. And I really think that it keeps it from sagging, which I hate. So it doesn't have the feet like the artsy bag where it has the four little screws at the bottom, or the four little feet at the bottom. The price is really worth it for this bag, guys. I would definitely grab it if I were you and you're looking forward to getting it. And let's see the inside. It is really, really huge. See? It's really deep. I would say that I could fit my iPad, tons of things. Even it includes a little pocket. It only has one pocket. You can see it. And the inside has like the pinstripe with the little monogram symbols. It includes a little D-ring to snap it. I'm trying to give you guys a little detail. You can strap it there. And on that ring, it includes a little LV symbol as well. They were very detailed. Also, it includes another D-ring here. The zipper clip contains the Louis Vuitton written out. I don't know if you guys can really see it. And it's such a huge, wonderful bag. I mean, it's so nice. I love it. I also have the artsy bag, so I may talk about that in another video, but I'm gonna give this one a try. I think it's pretty big to be the medium. I see everyone doing videos on the GM and it looks super big, but this one to me, in my opinion, looks pretty big as well. I even love the trimming around the top of it. And the tag here also says Louis Vuitton, Paris. And it's a beauty. So, I'll be doing another video later on with what I put in it. Oh, and it comes with some little cards. It gives you details on the bag. Coated fabric, leather trim, man-made. And it also would come with a little delightful serial number. Oh, and I did want to show you how it would look once you place it on your shoulder. Once you lock it. Not really sure how the top part goes, but I would myself personally place the top of the bag with the tag. I would place that on the very top. And once your things are in, I'm about 5'6" in height, so I'm a little tall, but just to give you guys an idea of where the bag stops at, because I know with my artsy, it normally comes all the way up under my arm, and I have to go back and wipe deodorant from like the top of the bag. So this one is pretty good for that. It slumps down. Pretty good soft bag. And this is how it would look on your shoulder. Pretty big, as you can see. So, I think it's a nice bag. I think you guys should definitely get it if you're thinking about it. So, thanks again for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.